AutoDS versus Printify. Which is better for you? In this video, we'll compare AutoDS and Printify, two popular platforms in the e-commerce space. You'll find links to both products in the description below. AutoDS is primarily designed for dropshippers. It's an all-in-one automation tool that helps streamline product research, import products to your store, manage orders, and monitor stock levels. It's perfect for those who want to automate their dropshipping business, reduce manual work, and scale efficiently. On the other hand, Printify is a print-on-demand platform ideal for creatives looking to sell custom-designed products. With Printify, you can easily create and sell unique items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without worrying about inventory, printing, or shipping. It integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. So, if you're a dropshipper seeking automation, AutoDS is your go-to. But if you're an artist or entrepreneur looking to sell custom products without upfront costs, Printify is the better choice. By the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of which platform aligns with your business needs. Make sure to check the links in the description to explore these platforms further.